So friends, welcome to our channel. When you opening your Gcash app, then this error will be shown on your screen. This feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower. If the same error is facing by you when you opening your Gcash app, so guys, watch this video till end, because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming in your phone and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and watch the steps and apply it. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment which phone are you using. So firstly, open the settings of your phone. After opening the settings, you have to click on the search button in your settings, and after selecting the search bar, you have to search for developer options. Yes guys, you have to search for developer options in your settings, and if the developer options is on, so guys, you have to turn it off. Yes guys, you have to turn it off, the developer option. And after this, you have to select the back button and scroll down in your settings. After scrolling down, you have to select the apps option in your phone. So after scrolling down, this apps option will be shown on your screen. So guys, you have to select this apps option, and after clicking on it, select manage apps, and the installed apps list will be shown on your screen. So guys, you have to select the search and search for Gcash and select the Gcash app, and after this, select the storage button and click on the clear data. Yes guys, you have to select the clear data. First you have to select clear cache, and after this, select clear all data button and press the OK like this. And after this, your Gcash app will be refreshed. Then you have to select the home screen of your phone, and after this, you have to open the settings. Yes guys, you have to open the settings, and after this, you have to search for update. Yes guys, you have to search for update. After searching for update, the system update of your phone or software update of your phone option will be shown in this list. So guys, you have to select for the software update, and the software update option is not showing in your phone. So guys, click on the back button and select the about phone option in your settings. After selecting the about phone, you have to select the update button. Yes guys, you have to select the software update button. Then the if the software update is available in your device, so guys, you have to update your phone up to new software update. Yes guys, if the update is shown on your phone, so guys, you have to update your phone. After updating, check the Gcash app, it's working or not. If the Gcash app is working, so it is good, but not, so guys, you have to change your phone to use the Gcash app, because the Gcash app is not working in version 4.4 and lower devices. I hope guys you understand. Do like this video.